In this video, I will show you how to create an API key on Bitget in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to bitget.com and log into your account, or alternatively, if you're on a mobile device, go ahead and open up the Bitget app. So there's a few steps you're going to need to go through to create an API key on Bitget. So once you've gone ahead and signed in to your account, what you're going to want to do is look for the API settings or the API management section. Now you can do this by going into your account settings. Once you've gone into your account settings, you should see the API management settings. So what you want to do is click to go into the API settings, and there should be an option at the bottom to create a new API key. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. Then what you can do is give your API key a name that helps you identify its purpose. So this could be something like Trading Bar API or API for personal use. What you now need to do is choose the permissions you want to grant to this API key. So Bitget, like other platforms, typically offers various levels of access, such as read-only or full trading permissions. Make sure to take caution when you're choosing these permissions and only grant the permissions necessary for your intended use. Now, some platforms may require additional security settings, such as setting IP restrictions or even enabling two-factor authentication for API access. Make sure to follow the prompts to configure these settings if you do need to do them. So once you've gone ahead and configured the settings, proceed to generate the API key. Now, along with the API key, Bitget will typically provide you with an API secret. This secret is used for authentication when making API requests. Generally, it's something like a paraphrase, so you want to make a note of this and make sure to keep this secret secure and never share it publicly. After you've generated the key and your paraphrase or secret, Bitget may provide you with options to save or download this information. Make sure if you do this, you do store it securely, preferably in a password manager or encrypted file. Before you go ahead and use the API key in your applications or scripts, it's a good idea to test it first, just to ensure that it's working as expected. Many platforms do offer a sandbox style environment where you can go ahead and test your API functionality without actually risking any real funds. Remember to always follow best practices for API security, which includes things like keeping your API key and secret secure, using encryption for API communication, and regularly reviewing your API access to revoke any unused or unnecessary keys. So that is a quick guide on how to create an API key on Bitget in 2024. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.